All right, naming angles. There's two ways to name angles. This is the easiest way. I'm going to show you. This is the angle here. Some people just put like an A in front of it, and that means that angle is angle A. So if I had a shape like this, and I marked in the angles like this, then I might just call this A, B, C. Kind of try to go in order of the alphabet, really. So A, B, C. So this angle here is A, this angle here is B, and this angle here is C. Now, there's another way to name angles. It's a little more difficult, but it's probably the way that you'll be doing it in high school. And that way is if I have an angle like this, some people put the A here, B, and the C like this. And if you're trying to figure out what this angle here is, even though we know from based on before, this would probably be angle B. They write it like this. They go angle, so they draw like a little angle, and then they go, starting at A, to make this angle, it really goes from A to B to C. So it kind of goes A, B, C, makes this angle here, makes that mouth of the angle. So the angle that, where it says B here, the middle part of the angle, the vertex, is always in the middle of the letters. So it's going to start at A, go to B, then go to C. I could have done it the other way. It still would work. Angle. I'm going to change the color so you can see. I could start at C, go to B, and go up to A. So it could be C, B, A. But you'll notice B is still in the middle. Either of these would be right. Let's take a look at it on a shape. So let's draw a little shape here. And let's do this. Put the angles in. And let's say this is A. I'm going to do capital. Just change it up. B, C. All right. Now I want to find out what this angle right here is. Well, that would be angle. B is in the middle, and I need the two letters on each side of it. So really I could start at A, go up to B, and then go to C. So it's A, B, C. It could be that angle. Or it could be, I could start at C, go up to B, and down to A. So it could be C, B, A. But notice B is still the one that's in the middle, which is this corner here, so this vertice. So if I wanted to do this angle, well, I could go angle. I draw a little angle. I know it's going to be C. How do I get this angle here? Well, I could start at B, go down to C, and go over to A. That would make that angle. So it would be B, C, A. Or I could have done it the opposite direction. Start at A, go to C, and up to B. Angle A, C, B. All right, you're going to do a couple on your own here. So I'm going to start with this one. Number 1. Okay, I'm going to draw a shape. Just going to draw a square, and I'm going to label the square. A, B, C, D. I'm going to label each corner there, each vertice. Now, if I want to find out what this angle right here is, I want you to draw over here. I want you to write down what the angle would be. Pause the video, do that, and then come back. So this angle here is going to be in the middle. A is going to be in the middle. I could start at D, go up to A, and go to B. So it's really like this. D, A, B. Makes that angle there. Okay? So I could go D, A, B, or I could go the opposite direction. You'd be right if you went B, A, D. So if you put either one of those, they would have been right. Okay, now I want you to do this angle down here. I'm going to change the color to green. This angle. Pause the video, write out what you think it is, and then come back. So this angle, the green angle, to make this angle, this is the middle of the angle, I'm going to go B to C, C to D to make that angle. So B, C, D. Or you could have gone angle. I could have started at D, gone to the C, and up to B. So I could have gone D, C, B. Either one of those would be right. Let's leave that. Go on to the next, number 2. Okay, let's say it's this weird triangle. I'm going to say A, B, C. And I want you to tell me what this angle right here would be. So try to do that angle, pause the video, come back when you're all set. All right, let's see. To get this angle, the green angle, to make that angle, which is this angle here, I could start at B, go to A, and then go to C. So I go B, A, C. You can see that angle like that. Okay? That's B, A, C, right? Let's try to get this angle. Let's go angle B. Oh, it's angle B. If we do it the old way, the easy way, but we're doing it the more difficult way. Can you try to label this one and pause the video, come back and let me know, and take a look at what you, see if you get it right. All right, this one, angle, the pink angle. B has to be in the middle. I could start from this side to go to B, or I could start from C and go to B. It doesn't matter which way. I'm going to start at A to B, and then B to C to make that angle. So it would be A, B, C. Or it could be C, B, A. All right. Complete this in your book, and then you're all done.